Hello everyone. I hope you're all doing well. It's a pleasure to connect with you on this platform. If you're enjoying the content so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give a thumbs up to support my channel. Welcome to Only Tech Mind, where we explore the fascinating world of technology and its endless possibilities together. Your support means a lot, and I'm excited to have you on this journey with me.
Today, I am going to explain you guys Revolve and Fillet commands in SolidWorks. Let's get start with Revolve command. The Revolve command in SolidWorks allows you to create a 3D shape by revolving a 2D sketch profile around an inlet. This is particularly useful for creating symmetrical objects like cups, cylindrical features, and more. Here's how the Revolve command works. Activate sketch mode. Start by creating a 2D sketch on a plane. This sketch defines the profile that you'll revolve. Accessing the Revolve command. Activate the Revolve command from the toolbar or menu under the Features section. Defining the axis. Specify the axis of revolution around which your sketch will revolve. This axis can be an existing sketch line, a model edge, or an axis you create. Choosing the angle. Decide on the angle by which you want to revolve the sketch. You can choose a partial revolution or a full 360-degree revolution. Revolve options. Midplane. Revolve the sketch symmetrically about the axis. One direction. Revolve the sketch in a single direction, creating an asymmetrical feature. Preview and confirmation. As you adjust the parameters, you'll see a preview of the revolved shape. Click OK or Apply to confirm the revolve and generate the 3D shape. Now, I'll explain you the working of Fillet command and show how to use it. Let's explore the Fillet command in SolidWorks in more detail. Fillet command in SolidWorks. The Fillet command is used to round off sharp edges or corners of 3D models in SolidWorks. Fillets have several benefits, including improving the aesthetics of the design, reducing stress concentrations, and enhancing the overall functionality of the part. Here's a more detailed explanation of how the Fillet command works. Selecting edges or corners. To start using the Fillet command, activate it from the toolbar or menu. Choose the edges or corners you want to apply fillets to. These can be internal or external edges, and you can select multiple edges at once. Fillet radius. Specify the desired fillet radius. This determines the size of the rounded transition between the selected edges. The fillet radius can be entered as a numerical value, and you can also use dynamic dragging to adjust it visually. Types of fillet. Constant size fillet. This applies a uniform fillet radius to all selected edges. It creates a consistent curve across the edges, resulting in a smoother transition. Variable size fillet. With this option, you can apply different fillet radii to different edges. This is useful for cases where you want to create a more complex and organic transition. Tangent propagation. The tangent propagation option ensures that filleted edges maintain tangency with adjacent surfaces. This creates a seamless and natural-looking transition. Preview and confirmation. As you adjust the fillet parameters, you'll see a preview of how the filleted edges will appear. The preview helps you visualize the changes before confirming them. Chamfer. The Fillet command in SolidWorks often includes the option to create chamfers as well. Chamfers are beveled edges that are useful for creating a sloped transition between two surfaces. Concave and convex fillets. Fillets can be concave, inward curving, or convex, outward curving. depending on the desired design outcome and functional requirements. Editing and removing fillets. After applying fillets, you can modify their radii or remove them if necessary. Simply access the fillet command again, select the filleted edges, and adjust the parameters.
Thank you for being a part of the Only Tech Mind community. Remember to stay curious and keep exploring the ever-evolving tech landscape. Don't hesitate to leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section, and I'll see you in the next video.